Hi there guys, welcome to this new video on GetResponse tutorial. Now, let me show you something over here. If I were to go into my email marketing, alright, and this is where we actually create our email broadcast, like what we discussed in the previous video. Now, the from and reply to email address generally is prefixed to the one that you use to sign up with GetResponse, which is generally a Gmail, Yahoo Mail, AOL, so and so forth, or even a Hotmail account. However, if you're embarked into email marketing proper, you can't use all these kind of generic email accounts. What you need to do is to create this kind of custom email address. Okay, your own custom domain with your own custom email address. Now, how to actually create all these custom email address, you can refer to my bluehost video in one of the previous series. All right, by just logging into my channel, and from there you can actually like and subscribe this video as well. Now, so you can actually choose this particular kind of custom domain email address. So assuming that you already know how to create all these email addresses, how do we actually put them into the GetResponse account? So very simple, all you need to do is to click on this particular top right icon, all right, click on manage account, and on the left menu, click on email addresses, and here you can add an email account. So the name will be the name that you actually wish to brand when you actually send the emails, all the emails, and the email address will be your custom email address here. Once you actually add the address, they'll ask you to authenticate by logging into the inbox of this particular email address that I just put in and to verify it. And that's where everything will be settled. Okay, as simple as that. So this is how you actually add a custom email address into your GetResponse account. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next recording. Take care.